Hi, in this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add the tab in your menu. Let me show you what I'm saying. Here's my website and I have different tabs here like home, menu, shop, cart, contacts. And I want to put something here like my account or want to put the link of some page here. So how to do that? Let me show you. It's a very simple process. Here is the admin panel of our WordPress, and you have to go to appearance, and in appearance you will find a menu option. Click this menu option. Here we go. You can see home, menu, shop, cart, contact us. You can see here. So this is our menu and it is called the main menu. And if you want to put some tab here, like here is my all pages and all posts. Let's suppose we want to add the blog at this area. You have to click this and add to menu. You can see our menu has changed. Save this menu. Now I'm going to refresh it. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.